Malaking inaamin kahapon ng PBA chairman na si Ricky Vargas matapos nga tong successful na run ng ating bansa sa naganap na Asian Games. Yan ay matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon ay mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Last week nga mga bularo, siguradong kabilang ka rin sa libo-libong Filipino fans na nagdiwang dito sa gintong medalya na nauwi ng Pilipinas sa naganap na Asian Games. Kung saan kahapon, sa isang panayam kay Al Francis Chua, talagang marami ang natuwa, especially matapos netong pangalanan ang ilang players na di raw naghangad ng malaking numero makapaglaro lamang para sa bayan.
Tinawagan ko yan isa-isa dahil we need to practice right away because we got 12 days, right? Ni isang player doon, walang sinanong sa akin, magkano bayad sa amin? Magkano allowance? Magkano? Wala.
Pero maliban sa balitang yan, kahapon naging laman din ng usap-usapan etong malaking inamin ng PBA chairman na si Ricky Vargas sa nasabing press con.
Now let me also tell you a story because I was on the phone. I was on the phone and I spoke to one player that we wanted to play for the team. He said, "Yes, I love the country. I will play for the team." And then he says, "Talk to my manager." Then the manager came back and says, "He will play as long as you pay him." Then I went to Al Francis and to Tim. I said, "No, we're willing to support you. We're willing to bring this player in. We need this player badly, but this is the amount of money he wants." And then Tim and Al Francis said, "No, he's asking for the moon. It's going to destroy the team."